I put a mask in the toilet and you won't believe what happened. I was surprised, and I don't think you've seen this technique anywhere else. I don't know if you're like me, but I love to leave the toilet clean and smelly. That way I feel more comfortable. When it's dirty and yellowish, I don't feel comfortable. Here at home, I used to use a lot of cleaning products and the bathroom brush because the toilet and the tank were always filled with salt and ended up staining the toilet. That was something I had to do every week, and it became very tedious for me because I had to be buying products frequently to keep the toilet clean. Then I discovered this trick, tried it, and loved the result. A lot of people like me are having a similar situation, so I'll share this trick with you. I'm using a mouth mask, and now I'll show you how to use it. But before that, let me know which country you're watching me from so I can send you a special greeting in my next videos. The first thing you have to do is take a mask. It doesn't matter if it's new or used, it'll be used for the same purpose. Then take a pair of scissors and cut a corner of the edge of the mask. Now take the piece you cut and cut the tape that holds it. Save this for later. Next, take the other part of the mask and open it in the middle until you get a small pocket. Next, fill it with a lemon. To do this, you need to take half a lemon and cut it into small pieces, as shown on the screen. Once you've cut the lemon, put it inside the pocket of the mask you had previously created. Now take the tape you had previously saved and tie a knot around the mouth of the mask. This is so that the pieces of lemon don't come out. Now what you have to do is take it to the toilet. Once you've removed the lid, hang the mask inside. By doing this, when you go to the bathroom, you'll have a fresh lemon smell every time you leave the toilet. And the best part is that the citric acid in the lemon also acts as a decalcifier, which means it'll also have a cleaning effect in the toilet, preventing corrosion and dirt. Wait about 10 minutes before you unload the toilet. Once the minutes have elapsed, pull the lever and the lemon will start to come out, mixed with the water. You'll notice a fresh smell and some foam in the toilet. The longer the lemon stays in the toilet, the better the smell and the result. This should last about a week and a half. This little technique will make a big difference. This is Gabriel Salazar from Peru and Leticia Suarez from the United States.